brushes, cross action. It's $11 offward, so it's $43.99. It's a 10-pack. That's what it looks like. Cross action reaches deeper in between teeth, and removes plaque. 10 brushes. Oral-B. That's 100%. Oral-B Smart Bristles. 9 brush heads. Cleaning power. Oral-B Round Cleans. 100% better than a regular toothbrush. It's a 10 complete clean. Regularly $99.99. A 20% off coupon. Instant rebate $79.99. It's on sale to April 6th. Limit 3. Oral-B. 10 clean. It looks like you get a black and a white. 3 cleaning settings, long lasting battery. Lee Reed Diffuser 3-pack. $19.99. 8 reeds each. 6 flow zone. Okay, looks like there's 3 scents. Island Citrus, Driftwood, Sand, and Blue Lemons. 3 different scents. 6 flow zone with 8 reeds. This is from our right. It's Harvest Right Small Home Pro Freeze Dryer in black. Preserve fruits and veggies, meat, and more up to 25 years. Freeze up to 1,000 pounds a year. It takes a plug-in. This is what it looks like. Says it's easy to use. Locks up up to 97% for nutrition. Save money. Just add water. Hanging hooks or strips. $15.99 regular with a $4 off coupon, instant savings, so it's $11.99. This is a millimeter command medium designer hooks. Both of these sales go into March 31st. It's also $11.99. The designer hooks. So we use indoor design hooks. Purse, bags, umbrella, headphones, wine rack, 11 bottles. It's on sale until March 12th. Regularly $18.99 with a $6 off instant savings. So it's $12.99. This is the $11 wine rack. Let's see. From Evergreen. Black finish or a gold finish, it looks like. So that's the black finish. And then that's it in gold. Storage caddy, $12.99. So $3 discount. It's on sale for $9.99 to March 16th. It's for under sink storage caddy. Keep supplies organized and easy to access. Denmark all-purpose bowl set of 4. On sale for $9.99 until March 16th. It is a set of 4. Set of 4. Looks like it's blue, green, white, and a dark gray. Different patterns. What they look like. The green one. It's like a leaf inside. And gray ones. Woven loop cotton hoof. Loop construction covered polyester, $52.99. So it's okay. So it's gray and tan. Casual woven plush floral throw. 50 by 70, machine washable. It's also reversible, so it's 2 sides. Looks like you have this gray and this tan. Or this other pattern, two blues. I don't know if you can see it. And then also have this green one. Like a floral print. Or this pink colored. There's some infusions in wash scent booster from Deli. And it is Tide Pods Free and Gentle 152 count. And this is the Free and Gentle Tide Pods 152 packs. And it's $24.99 and it's on sale till March 30th.
How does that work? Like you just wouldn't be.
That's the Tide with the Oxy. Tuxedo chocolate mousse cake. $17.99. Let's see, chocolate cake, white chocolate mousse. Has a little shamrock on the side of it. Or they have without the shamrocks and the 3 sugar cones. Pretty design. It's an Italian style lavish wrap. Smoked ham, roasted red peppers, provolone cheese, and salami. Then a quick oven baked dish, $15.99. Costello cream Harvard cheese, mild and creamy with delicate buttery tang, perfect for cooking. $11.99. Peach passion tea, 8, 12 ounce. Pomegranate peach passion white tea. The white tea blends beautifully with tropical passion fruit, sweet peach, and the antioxidant power of pomegranate. It's an 8-pack. Zero sugar kombucha variety pack. 18 12-ounce cans, $22.89. Let's see. Looks like it's zero sugar. Some peach raspberry lemonade and acai blueberry. Boost Energy variety pack, 15 count, 16-ounce cans for $23.89. Sugars. Let's see, cherry lemonade, Welch grape or zero. Oh no, sour pink lemonade. 3 flavors, 15 pack. Ghost energy drink. 15 pack soda variety. 5 strawberry lemon, 5 orange, 5 cherry limeade. $14.99 till March 30th. Miss Vicky's jalapeno kettle chips, 22 ounce, on sale for $4.99 till March 30th. St. Michael, or is it Michael? French cookies, $10.99. From Biscuit Farmville. Camellia, made in France. 44 cookies, 4 varieties. Chicken pop, 25 ounce bag, $3.69 till March 30th. The boom chicken hot sweet and salty kettle corn, $3.69 till March 30th. Mush overnight oats variety pack, 8 5-ounce jars, $6.49. Mush ready to eat overnight oats. You get 2 blueberry, 2 vanilla bean, 3 apple cinnamon, 8 cups total, and 5 ounces each. So $6.49. Chicken patties, 12 patties, 18 grams of protein per serving. Let's see, fully cooked, natural, gluten-free, microwavable, grilled chicken patties. Crispy shredded chicken hot dogs, chicken rings, boba pudding, 12 4-ounce bottles, or 4-ounce cups, $9.79. Looks like it's ready to eat, dairy-free, gluten-free, pure coconut milk, made with pistachio butter. Six of them. Not a lot. Delicious. Organic super greens. 11.5 gram stick pack, 45 count, $27.99. Zero sugar, 10 grams superfoods, 5 grams fiber, 70 plus superfoods.